Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you DStv Zambia, their customer care number. So in case you're having any problem on your DStv, whether you want to activate a new decoder and you would like to call them for help, all you got to do is to press on your DStv remote the blue button on it, which is the DStv logo. The number will be on your screen, but for you to check the current active number, you press on the DStv logo, which is going to take you to the menu here. Use the arrow left and right keys and look for help. When you find help, you come to the first option, press OK on it, which is the contact us over here, and then use the arrow left and right keys, look for call option over here, the third option. Scroll down to search your number. Alright, so the number will be on your screen as well. DStv Zambia. Alright, so we have it, which is a +260 211, and it's going to be on your screen as well. So all you have to do is to have enough airtime before calling them for help. They're going to deduct as a normal calling rate. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and are new here, all you got to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and you come back for more. Thanks for watching.